Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make chili garlic chicken. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. We'll need chopped garlic, chopped ginger, red onion, scallions, cilantro leaves, thinly sliced celery. The chicken is boneless, skinless breasts that I've cut into 1-inch pieces, eggs, cornstarch, and all-purpose flour. To season the flour, I'll add garlic powder, salt, and paprika. Mix it up and set aside. For the sauce, we'll need soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sriracha or another chili sauce, and ketchup. Stir and set aside. To season the chicken, add garlic powder, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix it well. To fry the chicken pieces, heat up vegetable oil in a pan. Put the cornstarch in a bowl, beat up the eggs, and put the bowl with the flour next to it. Dip the chicken pieces in cornstarch, then egg. Let the excess drip off and coat with flour. Set the coated pieces aside on a plate. When the oil is hot, drop the chicken in gently and fry for about 5 minutes until golden brown. Drain and set aside. Fry the second batch and then the third. It'll take you about 15 minutes to fry all the chicken. While you're frying the third batch, heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of oil. Saute the onion, garlic, and ginger until soft. Add the celery, chicken stock, and the sauce. Bring to a boil. To make the sauce a little thicker, add cornstarch mixed with water. Taste and add more chili sauce if you like. Put the chicken in and mix. Finally, add the scallions and cilantro. Serve this immediately. The chicken is tasty, not too spicy, there's nice crunch from the celery. This dish is a good way to spice up plain chicken breast. You can't have too many chicken recipes, and I hope you give this one a try. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.